Hey, so I guess I killed two birds with one stone with one video. This video. Ha 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 ha. Pardon my pun. Cause I wanted to show you the city, Terracina, and the hair in the mouth. Whatever. And I wanted to show you how many birds there are. I don't know. My video resolution doesn't show you. I don't think even half of them show up, but I can see them way out in the distance. And there's so freaking many birds. Unbelievable. And this is what woke me up this morning. Just past 6:30 in the morning here. And wasn't city noise, wasn't trains, wasn't people yelling. Just all of these birds flying by, singing. Beautiful. Oh. Hundreds